Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. I love opening DC figures because it gets me to highlight my left side of the mat featuring Zatanna. Okay, but we're not looking at Zatanna, we're looking at Parademon. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from WizKids DC Heroclix Parademon. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, which I won from the recently concluded uh, championship Clicks Manila. Okay, so as a participation prize. Okay, so not too shabby. And you can see on the left side of the box, we have a bigger illustration, same illustration on the right side, and at the back, just a zoom in illustration. Okay, so this is meant for 14 years old, an exclusive figure what that was released 2024. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so I don't really collect a lot of DC, and this is a generic, I would imagine a generic figure. Okay, we know parademons are the foot soldiers of Darkseid and Apocalypse. Okay, so yeah, they're coming out. This particular sculpt, you can see, is the Parademon is coming out from a portal. Okay, maybe created by the mother box with a spear on hand and intention to unalive people. Okay, so I remember watching a Justice League animated movie wherein it took a dark turn. Darkseid won and basically and enslaved the Trinity and killed all the heroes except for, I guess, John Constantine. Okay, and yeah, part of that movie, Zatanna was also slaughtered by I think it's not just your regular parademons, but Doomsday parademons. That's why it was overwhelming the members of the Justice League. Okay, so very dark film, but I love it actually. So because Zatanna made an appearance. Anyway, let's take a look at the card for this Parademon. He is DCP24-014 Apocalypse Brute Cosmic Monster Warrior keyword. So great keyword, especially the warrior. You can give him a free longsword. So he has a trait, Apocalypse demands my service. Once per attack, when a friendly character with the Apocalypse keyword, including himself, of course, and a greater point value than Parademon would be hit by an opponent's attack. If Parademon isn't a target of that attack, you may place him adjacent to that character. Parademon becomes the hit target of that attack instead. Wow. So yeah, he is it's like it's like mastermind, okay, but even better because it's not outwittable. Okay, so if you have multiple parademons, you can actually sacrifice them so that your uh, apocalypse higher point figure would not be damaged. Okay, so you can see that the powers here, no special power. Let's see if you have another trait. Yes, he does, which is expendable goon. Okay, waves of war. When Parademon is KO'd by an opposing character, after resolutions, you may roll a d6. On a 1 to 3, heal a friendly character with the Apocalypse keyword one click. On a 4 to 6, generate a character with an expendable goon trait on its 15-point starting line adjacent to a friendly character. So there's a possibility of this figure coming back even when KO'd or bringing in another expendable goon. Okay, so his trait really makes him expendable. Okay, probably play him at 15 points for that empower damage power as well with charge and blade's claw. Okay, so 50 points is a bit too much for an expendable goon. So real name is Varius, appearance is New Gods number 1. Okay, so that is Parademon, as I said, a generic expendable goon, apocalypse version. Probably get at least 3 of this, okay, for triple empower. And he has 4 range, and then he can also carry people because of the flight. Yeah, so 2 to 3 might be a good idea for a team. Yeah, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye!